Beautiful, custom-built, quality-built, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Laurel Glen Subdivision in Hartwell. Spacious open floor plan with 2,388 square feet and full unfinished basement. The home features a vaulted dining room, great room with stone gas fireplace, kitchen with breakfast area and stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops with plenty of counter space and storage, master suite with double tray ceiling, walk-in shower and separate whirlpool tub, dual vanities, and walk-in closet. Newly finished hardwood floors and new interior paint. Exterior features include a side entry 2-car oversized, attached garage, private fenced-in backyard with a pergola, gorgeous screened-in back porch with wood ceiling and recessed lighting, and mature landscaping with a professional irrigation system in the entire yard. Plenty of room to add a pool. Curb and gutters, underground utilities with city water, gas, and trash pickup.